Hey guys, and it's Huawei time. We have our first look at the Huawei P30 phone, again thanks to OnLeaks. Based on the factory CAD, this is the Huawei P30. Once again, Huawei is looking to give us an overpowered flagship camera phone. First up, the front of the phone is having a 6-inch display. And look, it's a water drop notch, and you might be thinking, wait a minute, where is the hole in display? The one that they did on the Nova 4 phone? Well, that was with an LCD display. Apparently, as of now, hole with an OLED display is not in Huawei's reach. It is something only Samsung has at the moment, which we will see on the Galaxy S10 family, so Huawei had to go with the teardrop notch solution. They also reduced the chin, and in comparison to the Huawei P20 Pro, it's a big change. There is no home button on the front. It means there is more screen area to play with, and I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty balanced overall with the chin and the side bezels. Now towards the back, it has a beautiful gradient finish, something Huawei introduced last year. Triple cameras on the back, dual tone LED flash, colored power button can be seen, as well as the volume rocker, USB Type-C, and interestingly, the headphone jack returns. I've never really seen a company removing the headphone jack and bringing it back on their future flagship phone. It seems like Huawei learned from their mistake, I guess, and now the headphone jack is coming back to the P30. That's a good news. No fingerprint scanner anywhere means that it's most likely using an in-display fingerprint scanner. So this is the P30. Triple camera is now a base form for a Huawei flagship phone, whereas the P30 Pro will have 4 camera setup on the back. For the camera, Huawei P30 family is expected to use a brand new Sony's unannounced IMX607 image sensor. This reportedly features an impressive 38 megapixel resolution that has a dual Bayer filter combined with a new white HDR coding array, which allows for white pixels to be used for capturing light and details, so no need for monochrome lens. Is surely going to rock an ultra wide angle lens. And on top of this crazy resolution, the sensor is set to provide 5x optical zoom. 5x optical zoom, ultra wide angle lens, 38 megapixel resolution. This will be an overpowered camera monster indeed. And again, this is P30 variant. It's not even their full form. The Pro model will add another camera on the back, which could be a 3D camera sensor for AR or VR. Something like that can happen. We don't really know. Or it could be a super ultra wide angle lens. Who knows? But this already looks pretty damn good. On the front, there will be a 24 megapixel sensor for selfies with better AI optimization and everything. Under the hood power will be similar to the Mate 20 Pro, so Kirin 980 will be there to keep the lights on. In 2018, Huawei did really good. P20 Pro was one of the best camera phones, had a great design, great battery life, and stuff got even better with the Mate 20 Pro. Hands down, it was one of the best smartphones of 2018. So taking all the power with even better camera setup and better design on the P30 family. 6-inch is a perfect size. The bezels look small. Again, no hole on display, which puts them behind the new display tech that Samsung will do on their flagship phone. But camera wise, it seems like they are always pushing the boundaries. So the hole on display, OLED display, can happen on the Mate 30 Pro, which is coming later down this year. Speaking of Mate 30 Pro, a recent patent has shown that Huawei could implement 5 cameras on the back of the Mate 30 Pro. I am lost for words, guys. More cameras are coming on the way, but right now P30 family is looking pretty strong. I wouldn't be surprised if they end up topping the DxOMark chart again. I feel like it's gonna be a tough year because Samsung's also bringing multi-camera phones to the table, so it's gonna be an interesting war between Huawei and Samsung. And as always, there will be a P30 Lite as well that will bring the flagship design in a cheaper price, so that's coming as well. So yeah, that's all we have on the Huawei P30 and P30 Pro. This is how the P30 will look. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. What are your thoughts regarding this upcoming Huawei flagship phone? And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.